Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet tissue holder. It's for one of those miniature size for your purse, and so it's just roughly about 5 inches or so to 6 inches across, and I'm just making this one for that type of size. I used medium worsted yarn and an eye hook, and the pattern is listed down below. So let's get started. Okay, you're going to want to make sure that your chain goes across from both sides from one end to the next, and for the size that I had, I'm going to do a chain of 18. You may need to do yours maybe longer or shorter, just depending. So once you have 18, then you're going to be on your next row. You're going to yarn over and half double crochet from the second chain from the hook, and then half double crochet in each chain until you get to the end. You're going to chain one and turn, then half double crochet in each stitch across until you get to the end. I did this for a total of 16 rows, and it fits around the entire pack of the tissue, and you may need more rows just depending on how big your tissues are, and they're the perfect size for your purse or your pocket. Now you're just going to work that end and then just repeat again with a chain one and turn, and just work your half double crochet until you get to the end. Okay, so now that you're at the end here, you're going to take your yarn and you're going to slip stitch the ends together on both ends. You can get a smaller hook, and I'm going to use a G hook so I can slip stitch those ends together. You're going to insert your hook and then grab that yarn and just slip stitch across until you get to the end. Now you're going to do the other side the same exact way, just slip stitch from one end to the other, and then you're complete on those both ends with slip stitches. Now you can cut those ends out and turn it right side out, and then you can place your tissues inside. And if you have less tissues, then you might want to make this a little bit smaller by making less rows. Now you're going to sew with a yarn needle just a couple of inches going inward, and then you'll have a little small opening for your tissues to come out of. Now you're going to do the other side the same exact way, and then this pattern is complete. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.